Yes, yes.
Right. So now the thing is, actually today we planned for demo session, but before that it seems like there is some confusion between development and administration. So I want to show you the things like whatever we are going to discuss in this training now. Okay. So let me open content here so that you'll get clarity. Pandey, you also please follow the same because you'll get clarity for this training or not.
Yes.
So this is the content we are going to discuss. Of course, 2019 it is showing here, but the 2022 already there in the market. We are going to work with the 2022 only, no doubt. Okay, now? So now, basic things we are going to discuss. Installation part also there. Then we have to work with this part. This is really important part of the database administration, architecture part. So architecture means what we are going to do with the databases. Basically, what is the purpose of databases? Tell me. Databases are used to store data. Databases means like data storage and data maintenance. That's what the database is, right? So, coming to next scenario. See, you are going to work with the database maintenance. You are going to work with the database architecture level also. So,
What's audible?
questions, Pandey?
Yes, sir. Yes, 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 sir.
Tell me, please. What is the question?
Sometimes your voice is not audible.
Oh, my voice? Okay. Now it's okay, na? Abhi to theek hai, na?
Yes, yes, yes. It's audible.
Right. So now the thing is, see, architecture part. So DBA is going to take care of entire server. In this scenario, suppose some execution is going on in the database. When that execution going on in database, what are the things happens inside our database architecture? These are really important. So now, that area we are going to discuss under architecture of the SQL server. And the same way, if you know architecture, you can resolve issues efficiently, because database administration means what? You are going to support different databases and different database servers. That is what database administration means, right? So in this scenario, now we have to concentrate more on architecture part and coming to next step. I'm going to work with the database creation related scenarios series. Because see, you are going to install SQL Server initially. After completion of the SQL Server installation, you have to create database type, because you have to store data, right? If you create database, Then only you can store data. Otherwise, you cannot store data. That is the point. So, database creation. Initially, you are going to create them. You are going to install SQL Server. Later, what you are doing, you are going to create data. If you are not creating database, what happens? Where you are going to store data, you cannot, right? That is what. In the same way, here you have security part. User maintenance also you are only going to take it. User maintenance also what happens? You are only going to take it. Right? So now coming to next step. Database you are creating means some properties will be there for the database. You have to set up properties also. Right? And coming to next scenario. Database security. How to create security for the user management, user security. See, user management means what happens, that is comes under user security. But database security is different again. Suppose you are working with some database, you stored customers' data in the database. Now you lost your database. What? You lost your database. What? Am I right or not? So losing database means you are going to lose data. Again, what happens? That is going to create troubles to you. These are all really important for us. So what we are doing here, we are going for backups. We are going to work with backups. We are creating backups only. We are creating backups. So we are working with the backups. So what happens, backup means copy of the data. So that means you are creating some type of security for our data. You are creating some security for our database. So that is also really important for us. Right? And so next, restoring. Suppose you have some database, you can restore your database. Some backup file if you have, you can restore your database from the backup files. So these are also really important for us. And coming to next step, migrations. Migrations means deployments and database refreshes and go live related scenarios. So these are all comes under migration. Transferring data from server to server. Then upgrade means lower version to higher version. Suppose you are working with your server is running now in old version of the SQL server, how you are going to update it to new version? Right? How you are going to update it to new version? So these are all really important. Got my point?
Yes.
So coming to next step, top level configurations, replication, log shipping, mirroring, always on, these are all top level configurations of the database administration. So you are working with some database, you are taking backup, okay, but now you lost your database. If you want to recover your database from the backup, it takes a lot of time. And if you want to recover your database from the backup, it takes a lot of time. Okay. So to avoid that problem, what we are doing, we are going for duplicate environment configuration. Suppose you have some production database, create duplicate for the production. Then what happens if you lost your actual, you can use duplicate as actual database. So that's the scenario. And coming to next scenario, these are all tickets and real-time issues. Suppose you are a DBA, you are working in real-time environment. What are the issues you are going to face? What are the issues you are going to face? How you are going to handle those issues? So this is really important for us. That we are going to discuss here. See, this lot of things I'm going to discuss related to real-time. So this is what we are going to cover. But remember, this is pure database administration training. It's not a development training. Pandey, you are looking for the same. I think Praveen having clarity, looking for the same. Right, Praveen?
Yes, sir.
Pandey, what about you?
I'm looking for the same, sir.
Very good. It's not connected to voice. Let's do one thing. Today I given clarity, and now today we have less people. More people are going to attend tomorrow with same link, same time Monday. You please connect to class tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give you complete demo, complete introduction of the DBA, so that Monday onwards we can start with regular classes. Okay, na? Right, Praveen and Pandey? Tomorrow morning 8 o'clock, same day. So tomorrow I'll give you. Right then. See you tomorrow.
Okay.